friends. So we have the vision board party happening right now. I'm actually here with my vision board. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, that is my vision board. And when I say vision boards work, they do work. Believe me, trust me. This was my vision board. I actually did this December last year, and at least I got that already. I've ticked off some of the things, and that is one of them. Yeah, that is one of them, as you can see. Moving around with my evidence. I wanted a second baby this year. I put it up on my vision board, and it has come to pass. So vision boards work. Yeah, if you're scared, if you're still thinking about it, just get those photos of the things that you want to achieve, pin them up. Yes, pin them up, and trust God. You have to pray over your goal.